All right, what's good, fam? Martinez on the mic. Good morning to all of you. We're going to go ahead and get started on part one, the Q2 unit planning. All right, these 2 pages, as a reminder, are due at today's checkpoint, and you will be getting feedback from your department. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into things. Right, we've got our quarter plan, the topic standards, unit evidence, knowledge skills. Okay, so we're going to start over here with our topics and our standards. So you're going to come over here to unit 1. You're going to list out your topics. What I'm going to use this video to show you how to do is to figure out what standards you need to teach. So in order to figure out what standards you need to teach, you're going to identify your power standards for the quarter. Here's what I mean by that. Let's click on this hyperlink by CCRS, and up comes the Ednovate Pacing and Assessment Guide, right? Now let's say I'm Kyle, right, and I'm the 9th grade science teacher. I'm going to click on science, and I've got my standards here in general. Now, if you notice at the bottom, I've got the overview, and then for each quarter, you're going to find the power standards associated with your class. So we're in quarter 2, so that's point 2. I'm grade 9, so 9.2. Check out what we got. The power standards are designed so that teachers don't have to teach every standard every quarter. It's like, well, the ACT is this long list of standards that we need to teach up to by the middle/end of the student's junior year. And so we backwards planned which standards are power standards and need to be covered each quarter. All right. So if I'm Kyle, I'm looking at the standards. These are all the standards that are going to be on my next interim, right? And the ones that I'm going to prioritize teaching are my power standards. Okay. You also notice that they're the ones that are coming up most often here. So a word of advice is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 power standards, right? That means we could do one a week while also spiraling in some other standards. But depending on where you are as a teacher, I recommend doing no more than 1 or 2 standards a week and really diving into that standard and doing it well with students. Okay? So again, that's how to pull your power standards and list them as part of your planning document. All right, go ahead and do your unit topics and gather your power standards for the next piece. I'll see you back in a few. Peace out.